Welcome back, everyone. You may be having some issues with your AirPods where for some reason they are uneven. So what does this mean? Well, essentially, one AirPod may have a way worse battery life or better battery life than the other AirPod. Now, if this is happening, the reason why this may be happening for the most part is because one, you may be using one AirPod more than the other one. So maybe you're using your one AirPod like all day for like 2 hours, and then you want to go ahead and put both AirPods in. Well, this battery life is going to go down because you've been using it more. So in that case, all you have to do if you really want to get them, back to, what they were before, is you need to go ahead and put them back in their case, and you need to go ahead and just shut it, and you need to go ahead and charge the case at the same time. I'd recommend leaving them in there for about like a couple hours, and over that time they're both going to charge. The one you've been using more is going to take longer to charge than the one you haven't been using. So that's the main thing to keep in mind. If you're constantly flipping it open, using one AirPod, putting it back in, and then 30 seconds later putting it back in, so on and so forth, well then the one AirPod is always going to be at less battery life than this AirPod. So again, that's pretty much the main thing. Now, for some reason that doesn't seem to be the case and you're using your both AirPods at the same time, well, you want to go ahead and open up your AirPods and you want to make sure they're charging sufficiently. So look at the bottom of your AirPods tip right here, and you want to make sure there's nothing stopping it, no earwax, no dust. So go and clean it off if you can. But you also want to look inside of your AirPods hole right here, and you want to make sure there's nothing like stuck in there either. So no earwax, no nothing in there either, because there can be some issues sometimes where you may have like some stuff stuck in there and it may be charging your AirPods a little bit, but because there's so much stuff stuck in there, it's not going to charge your AirPods fully. So go ahead and clear those AirPods, little tips in there too, and then go and put it back in, and you want to go ahead and charge them up and see if that fixes the problem. I would say a majority of the time this may end up fixing it for you, and that's really all you had to do. Now, for some reason that still doesn't work, another thing I'd recommend doing is to try resetting your AirPods. It probably wouldn't fix it, but there's a little button back here, a little circular button here. All you have to do is go and hold down this button here, and you want to wait until the white light starts blinking up front, and then all you have to do is go and grab your other device like this iPhone, go ahead and turn it on, and you will be able to see that you can repair them. Sometimes this may end up fixing it. I don't want to say it's going to fix it every time, but it is something you can do, and maybe it'll work for you. So that's pretty much how to do it for the most part. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.